Being able to transform what other things as waste simply adds to the beauty of nature. Thus, the trend of tire gardening came into existence in 2006. This trend may not be very popular because of the controversies regarding the usage of tires due to the harmful metallic content in them. However, these components exist deep inside the rubber tires, and the only way they could reach to your plant would be after the degradation, and the process of degradation of tires may take years together. The reason behind this is hassle-free gardening. For example, growing potatoes in a tire garden, the process starts by placing a cardboard sheet under the tire, adding some treated potatoes and covering it with mud. As the plant grows in height, stack one more tire and follow the same process until these tires are filled with sporting birds. Harvesting from them is too easy. Knock off the tire and roll out the potatoes. Tires have also posed a problem for the recycling industry, and hundreds of millions are deposited of each year. Often they are burned for fuel or end up in landfill. With both methods of disposal damaging to the environment, however, turning your yard into a recycled tire garden is one small step towards reducing the sturgeon figure. Tires can be used effectively as planters or for raised beds, and you can create solid retaining wall or even a pond using earth-shape building method. Tires can also be used to bring a little character to your space as a piece of dye recycled garden art. And if you were godchildren, there's nothing quite like the time-tested fun of a tire swing hanging from a tree. In conclusion, recycled tire gardening combines creativity, sustainability, and practicality. As you transform old tires into beautiful garden features, remember that every tire has a second life waiting to bloom. Thank you for joining us on this eco-friendly journey. Subscribe for more updates.